నమస్తే YR5 న్యూస్ కి స్వాగతం. మిల్లత్ ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ వెల్ఫేర్ సొసైటీ ఆదోని తరపున యూపీఎస్సీ సివిల్ సర్వీస్ ఐఏఎస్ ఐపీఎస్ ఫ్రీ కోచింగ్ సెంటర్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ పెట్టడం జరిగింది. మన ఆదోని మసూదియా అరబిక్ స్కూల్లో ఈ ఎగ్జామ్ ఎంఎస్ ఐఏఎస్ అకాడమీ హైదరాబాద్ తరపున 24 స్టేట్లో దాదాపు 90 సెంటర్లలో ఈ ఎగ్జామ్ అనేది కండక్ట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. 90 సెంటర్లలో మన ఆదోని ఒక సెంటర్. అదేవిధంగా మన ఆదోనిలో ఉన్న గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ అందరూ యూపీఎస్సీ ఎగ్జామ్ కొరకు ముందుకు వస్తున్నందుకు మాకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉందని తెలియజేశారు.
आज मसूदिया अरबिक हाई स्कूल में यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विसेज फ्री कोचिंग एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम रखा गया है। ये एग्ज़ाम MSIS एकेडमी हैदराबाद की जानिब से हिंदुस्तान के 24 स्टेट्स में 90 सेंटर्स में कंडक्ट हो रहा है। अभी इसी वक्त साइमल्टेनियसली 2 बजे से लेकर 5 बजे तक। हमारे लिए खुशी इस बात की है, हमारे आधुनिक के ग्रेजुएट्स सिविल सर्विसेज में आने के लिए हिम्मत जुटाकर 30 एस्पिरेंट्स एडमिशन्स लिए हैं। इन 30 एस्पिरेंट्स को मैं तमाम एस्पिरेंट्स को मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगा मिल्लत एजुकेशन वेलफेयर सोसाइटी की जानिब से, और इसी तरह से मसूदिया स्कूल के जिम्मेदारों का, स्टाफ का मैं तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। और इसी तरह से आधुनिक के तमाम स्टूडेंट्स, वो डिग्री के हो, इंटर के हो, 10th के हो या 4th या 5th क्लास के हो, जब कभी भी मिल्लत एजुकेशन वेलफेयर सोसाइटी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स लाती है तो इसमें हिस्सा लें। मैं तमाम आधुनिक के पेरेंट्स से मैं दरख्वास्त करता हूँ, जब कभी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स आते हैं तो इसमें हिस्सा लें। और हमारे लिए एक बड़ी खुशी और मसरत की बात है कि सोशल सर्विस में भी हमारे आधुनिक के ग्रेजुएट हिस्सा लेना, ये मिल्लत की एक कामयाबी है।
और कितना ज्यादा उन लोगों का स्टिमुलेशन है जो उनको एक बदलते हुए साइंटिफिक इन्वायरमेंट में उनको मर्ज कर सकेगा। देखिए, वक्त ऐसा आ गया है, हम देखते देखते हमारी जिंदगी में हम देखेंगे आपको एक अच्छा, पहले क्या था कि आपको एजुकेशन जो मिलता है वो डिग्री के लिए लेते थे हम। डिग्री वॉज अल्टीमेट, डिग्री वॉज लास्ट पेडेस्टर ऑफ आवर एजुकेशन का, उस पर खर्चे करते थे। आज मैं अपनी जिंदगी में देख रहा हूं, मैं जब एक मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी में काम करता था तो जब मैं इंटरव्यू में बैठता था तो मेरे बाहर होती थी, ओरिजिनल वेरीफाई करते थे, सर्टिफिकेट करते थे, उसके बाद जो सर्टिफिकेट रहेगी करेगी तो जाने अंदर देते थे। आज आप कभी भी इंटरव्यू में आप लोग, बहुत सारे लोग गए होंगे, किसी ने भी ये नहीं देखा होगा कि आपकी सर्टिफिकेट बताओ, वो जमाना चले गया। व्हाट इज एक्चुअली आपकी पोटेंशियल क्या है, आपकी कैपेबिलिटी क्या है, आपकी डिलीवरेबिलिटी क्या है, हाउ मच यू आर एक्शनेबल, हाउ मच यू आर डिलीवरेबल, हाउ मच यू आर डूएबल, ये चीजें माने। आप क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या सोच सकते हैं, नई चीज क्या बता सकते हैं, हटके क्या कर सकते हैं। रन ऑफ द मिल, अगर जो है मशीन में, 1 मिनट और ले लूंगा, आज मुझे आपको सुनना होगा, क्योंकि गेहूं की मशीन में गेहूं डाले तो आटा तो गेहूं आता है, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, मगर गेहूं की मशीन में डालने, आटे के साथ समोसा बन के उसके साथ ही पैकिंग करें, वैल्यू एडिशन इज द इंपॉर्टेंट, समथिंग न्यू। एक जमाने में आप बोलते थे कि सबसे बड़ी करेंसी कौन सी है, बोलेगा यूरो है, डॉलर है।
Dear aspirants who are going to attend for this examination, first of all, I congratulate you. You have come forward. Message. Survey. Why especially Muslim community is not represented proportionately in UPSA? That is IAS, IPS, civil services. Why our community have not been represented when our population is 15 to 20%? The wonderful thing they have come out with this is that they are having a capacity, they are capable, But only the thing is, neither the society is motivating them, nor they themselves are going towards that side. What's happening? Every student who is getting admissions into a college after completion of the school, everyone wants to write the IITs, NEET and others. Complete mind is oriented towards that side. Even though you are having a capacity, if you put some effort, certainly you will become the successful in UPSC examinations. But we are not moving that side. It's not that you don't have the capacity. You are having, but we are not being motivated or directed to move that side. That is the biggest problem. So it is the necessity. First we have to get the confidence within ourselves. We are not less than others. We are having, but only the thinking we are not putting the right effort in the right direction. That's the biggest problem. That is why we are not successful. Otherwise, you may be wondering, even the student from Madrasa board, they are clearing these UPSCs. When a student with the backing of the Madrasa board examination, when they are successful, you have been educated in corporate schools and all, why you are not? Why we don't get the confidence that we too can do that one? Our students in IITs needs many ranks they are getting. Only in this field they are lagging behind. This is very, very important and essential, because when you people are there in that field, you can make the balance in this secular society. If our peoples have been away from this, then we can't blame others who are taking the decision, it is against us or something. It is our core responsibility. We have to enter, we have to render our services, we have to understand. Then only it's possible. When in administrative side, if we are not entering and blaming someone that they are not doing in our favor, they are doing this and that, who are responsible? We are having the opportunity, we are all equal, but only the thing is we have to prove ourselves, we have to work hard and successful and get up to that one. Otherwise, just sitting and blaming others is not the solution for our problems. I wish you success in this examination, and in future also, every year they are going to conduct this one. You make next time. Extend the training for you. For you school material. Last year they did 4 students got selected in that one, and we wish that this number should grow year by year, so that it will be helpful for us. With this, I will make you the dua that you will get successful examination. Thank you for giving the opportunity. Thank you very much.